All right guys, we're back at it again with another Gladiator video because I know you all love these Gladiator builds that we're doing. So we've had another one come in the shop. I wasn't around as much to film it, but I did get some footage of it while it's in the shop. So we're not doing a proper walk around video because it's not here anymore. But I did get footage of it, so let's check it out and we'll kind of go over what's been done to it. All right, so my favorite thing done to this Gladiator right off the bat is the KMC wheels. The gold looks excellent against the white, and then it's wrapped around some 40-inch Cooper tires. This Gladiator also has some Dana 60s in the front and the rear. As you can see over the bed, there is a Fab 4 custom bed rack. The Overland rack, I think is what they call it, made by Fab 4. That's been added. When it comes to lighting, we're clearly using the best, using KC highlights, we're using rigid lights, and we're also using a new pair of rock lights called Lux Lighting Systems. I believe total there are probably 14 lights in all just on the back of the Gladiator. That's counting the rigid lights, the Lux lights underneath. So that's insane, that's a lot. And last but not least, we've installed an ARB air compressor, which you've seen a lot on this channel. So if you want to see a little more in depth about the ARB air compressor and how we install it and what it does, we have 2 videos. I'll leave them in the link below so you can watch those. Everything mentioned in the video will be linked in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.